I value my oath as a person.
Ayan,
and I value my
nagkabukingan na.
oath as a lawyer.
Trillanes,
Won't this withdrawal
De
also
Lima.
destroy or affect your
So yung
credibility
main
because of the things that you
witness
said
ng
in the
ICC
original
ngayon,
communication?
Of course
si
not.
Las Cañas at
I'm
saka
not
si
saying
Matubato.
that Matubato and Las Cañas
Nung tinanong sa hearing,
I'm only
wala pa
saying
naman daw pala
that
pinatay.
case is no longer in the interest
So,
of
sino
justice, and I'm
mataniwalaan
acting
dyan?
in the interest of justice. And I hope that Prosecutor Bensoda will realize that case,
So, ayan na, nalagay
directed
sila
by
sa
Senator
spotlight ngayon.
Trillanes, Senator De
So,
Lima, and
nakikita
Father
ngayon ng buong
Alejo, and
mundo,
the rest of them
yung
is
ICC,
purely part of politics.
at saka lalong
I
minahal
never
ng mga
thought
tao
about
si Digong.
politics
Kasi
before
all
the
over
Bicoy
the world,
scandal
maraming
erupted.
nagrarally
It was
against
only
sa
after that when I
PBBM.
realized that these
So
people
ngayon
are
guys,
motivated by
bumaliktad
nothing
yung
else but
sitwasyon.
politics.
Si
They
Digong
only
ngayon,
intend
mas
to destroy
nakilala at
the
minahal ng
president
buong
of this
mundo
country, and I will never
dahil
accept
sa
that.
kagagawa
I
ni
went to the ICC
PBBM.
thinking
So kung sino
and
man yung
advocating for
advisor
justice,
niya,
not for
magaling.
politics against
Nilagay
President
ka ngayon
Duterte.
sa
But
alanganin.
when the Bicoy scandal erupted, my mind changed, my heart changed. I am now acting
Galit
in the
na galit
interest-
ngayon yung
in the
taong
same
bayan
manner
dahil
that
sa
I
ginawang
acted in the interest of
PBBM.
justice in going to the ICC.
Pero alam mo,
I'm
lahat
acting in the
yan-
interest
lahat
of
yan may
justice in
kapabayaran din
withdrawing
naman.
my communication.
But for
Darating
the
din ang
common
panahon na
observer, the
ma-realize
question
mo
might
lahat.
be this: why should
Na
they
lahat na
believe
sa
you now?
paligid mo ngayon ay ginagamit ka lang din.
They
Malinaw
you look
sa
at the
mata ng
reality.
mga tao
There was the
kung
Bicoy
sino
scandal.
yung totoo at saka
They
hindi.
invented videos, they
At
invented
lalong-lalo
lists
sa panahon ngayon,
accusing many
nakikita
people,
mo
including
kung
the
gaano
family of the president,
minahal ng mga tao
in
si Tatay
involvement
Digong.
in the drug syndicate.
Biruin mo ngayon, no?
That by itself alone
Lahat
will
na
compel them
poprotesta
to
kahit saan
believe me.
sulok ng mundo.
I'm not
Ang
acting
daming
without
Pilipino
any
tuloy
basis.
na nakikitang
There is
mahal
a
na mahal
basis
siya.
for this,
Dahil
a factual
dyan,
basis in the Bicoy
0-12
scandal.
kayo
I will
ngayong
not accept
eleksyon.
that.